Hi, it's Matthew from the Call Me Dragons here. Just wanted to do a quick video just to show where we're up to after the help with Emma from Pride. So since we started in 2nd October with 3 members, we've since grown to 25 members. We've been able to receive funding and grants which have helped us buy equipment, helped us become sustainable via use of pitch hire. We have a committee. We've worked with Sported we've helped us with governance. We've got constitutions, code of conducts in place. We are soon to be starting playing games with some tournaments in the summer and hopefully join the developmental league at the start of next season. And a lot of the help has come from Emma from Pride, who's been fantastic in helping us, pointing out what things we might need to do. We've also had 4 members achieve level 1 coaching courses, which has helped us with our coaching. And we are currently looking for a head coach, and more updates as and when we get them. Thank you. Bye.
Just to let you basically know what I do, and I'm started up with Mixcloud Live, hoping to get myself a career out of it so I can go self-employed and do the same job. And get some more shows on my Mixcloud, different ones. So I hope you like this video, and I'm a very shy person because I have ADHD, and I do get quite shy, but since I do my Mixcloud in my own space, in my own bedroom, I'm fine. We started up the fitness on Tuesday nights for people that don't like to go out of the house, and they can keep fit in their own houses to the music that I play. I'm going to be hopefully doing sometime this month disco on Saturday night, and we'll have some giveaway goodies and vouchers and stuff like that. That's going to be a good one. And also I'm going to be doing a 12-hour music charity for mermaids, transgender mermaids charity. So I'm going to be doing a 12-hour show for that this month as well. So I'm going to be quite busy. So it's a goodbye from DJ Alex, and thank you for taking the time to listen to my video. And thank you very much. I'll send this off to Emma now, and she'll get it sent to you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.